Welcome. If you want Snapchat to give you a small vibration every time someone is typing, you're in the right place. This feature is super useful when you don't want to miss those real-time chat moments, especially if your phone is on silent or you're not actively looking at the screen. Let's walk through how to turn on vibration for typing notifications on Snapchat step by step. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all system-level controls are managed, including how apps send you alerts. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Here you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now find and tap on Snapchat. This will open the app-specific settings where you can customize permissions and notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This section controls exactly how Snapchat alerts you, including sounds, pop-ups, and vibrations. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat separates different types of alerts so you can fine-tune each one individually. Look for the option labeled Typing and tap on it. This category is specifically for notifications when someone starts typing a message to you. Now, all you need to do is toggle on Vibrate. Once it's enabled, your phone will give you a subtle vibration whenever someone is typing, helping you stay instantly aware without needing to check your screen constantly.